Hey girl, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tayy coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, I'm doing a tutorial, baby. A tutorial on these Insta locks. And these are locks that you can do permanently. You can install them and leave them there and your hair could just be locks. Or these are temporary locks where you install them and you also can remove them. So just understand, it depends on your preference and what you want for your hair this summer or in general. Okay, I'm a girl that loves diversity, so I love that I get the permanent lock look but still be able to take these out of my head whenever I am good and ready. Okay, again, I got this hair from HOTBRAIDS Hair. They sent me 9 packs, which is 10 pieces for every single pack, which is 90 locks. I don't quite have that many. I had about 3.5 packs left. What do y'all think? I mean, it's very much giving. It's very much giving what it's supposed to give, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this tutorial. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this video, we're gonna install these HOTBRAIDS locks, okay? They sent me 9 bundles. They're 10 locks per bundle. I have 90 locks and I don't think I'm gonna have 90 locks in my head, 90 parts. So what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna do about 5 or 6 packs and then the other one will just be extra, okay? So this is how one bundle looks. Very nice, very nice. Okay, it has boho hair throughout and it is 100% human hair. Then it has the boho hair at the bottom, so I think that's kind of dope. This is a full head. This is a full head of hair. I don't need too many locks in my head. That's how I feel so far. This is what I have done. This is what we have completed. Like, I don't really think I have to plait the whole thing through. That's just my opinion. I don't know, we're gonna see. Make sure that part down the middle is really down the middle. That's something that's very important to me. I'm just gonna make sure I have a lot of just like, I don't know, for some reason I just want a lot of like loose curly hair like everywhere, you know. I'm just gonna kind of continue the parting space and I'm not gonna do any type of like edge gel, like parting it, plaiting it, and installing it, and then we can worry about styling it later, you know. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did a few locks just to see how I was going to navigate it, and I have about 50 something locks, okay? But this is how it looks, okay? This is how one lock is. It has the loose hair at the top, okay? It has the loose hair at the top, it has the lock, and it has a couple of boho pieces at the end and throughout the lock, okay? You're going to get a crochet needle. You're going to open the hook, okay? You're gonna open the hook and then you're gonna find a good point to go through the lock, okay? So I would say you can go right here if your hair is short. My hair's a little longer. I can go all the way even like down here, okay? So you're gonna enter the lock, open the crochet needle, enter the lock, and just find the narrow parts of the lock. Yeah, try to get as close to, and just scooch all the lock onto the crochet hook. Boom, like so. Okay, and then the crochet needle is open. Now you're gonna scooch it, keep it open, y'all. Keep the crochet needle hook open. Go to the end of the hair or close to the end. Put your hair on the crochet hook. Make sure it's closed, which it is. Let go. And you're gonna pull the end, the loose end of the lock, and you're gonna slide. Okay? You're gonna slide. And then when you see where your hair is, you're gonna pull. pull up like a sleeve. Okay, I personally like my hair out because my hair is the same curl pattern as boho hair, but I'll show you a way to hide it as well. Now, this is not the end because this will slide down, obviously. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get close. Okay, you're gonna get close. You're gonna slide. You're gonna give yourself like an inch or two of space. You're gonna open the crochet needle, pull through. You're gonna crochet it. Boom. Okay, that's gonna create some resistance. Now you can't easily slide it. Okay, you're gonna have to wrap the roots. So boom, open it up a little bit, and you're just gonna start wrapping. You're gonna wrap until you can't wrap anymore. Like so. Should look as natural as that. If your hair is longer and let's say you got like, you don't really want this piece out or whatever, then you can just crochet it back through. You get what I'm saying? You either can put your crochet needle in again and slide through the, slide through the lock and crochet it through. You can leave it out. I like to leave it out, but I'm going to show y'all how to not leave it out. Close it, pull through. It came with this little hook thing, and you would just, especially if you want to start locks, you would just push it through the 2 pieces of boho hair, and we have the lock. Almost finished. We are almost finished. I'm not gonna do this one. I'm just gonna leave this out, to be honest. I'm just gonna let it curl up and do what it do. Done, honey. I hope I ain't missed none. Not bad. I'm going to show y'all how to install. I also need to show y'all how to remove. So that is what we're going to focus on right now. Okay, very, very easy to remove. All right, so let's remove this lock, y'all. Again, very, very simple. As easy as it was to install, it's going to be that simple to remove. So all I do is get a rat tail comb and just like wiggle, because I twisted it. So you just want to kind of wiggle, 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 because you can just unwrap it. Get your hair, find your hair. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Yes. Pull it, pull it, pull it. And once you loosen it up, you can just pull. And that's it. And that is just the lock hair right here. That's it, y'all. Very, very simple. That is just how easy it is to remove, as easy as it is to install. So yeah, y'all, that is what we're working with, honey. I think the locks are super cute. I think they're very like, I don't know, like very like girl, it's giving grown a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. So let me show y'all how I do the bun really quick. So how I do the bun is I put everything like it's a ponytail. Okay, and then I twist it once, and then I twist it twice, but I'm push all of it to the front, like right here. Like I'll put the bun to the front, so that way to me it can be like shaped big, like that. And then I like to play around with it that way. So I like to pull like long pieces, wrap it around, couple pieces, wrap it around, and just like move some of the curly hair out the way, because it's a lot. Okay, and just kind of like play with it. But girl, that's it. That is simple and quick how I do the bun. But again, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next video, right? You're gonna be tuning in for the next video, right? Everything that I use when it comes to tools, when it comes to the hair, all that will be in the description box below. And of course I got a coupon code for you guys. All of that information will be in the description box. And yeah, I hope this video was informative. I hope it helped. I will talk to y'all in the comments, because I know y'all gonna have questions about how I installed it, and I'll be willing to answer the questions in the comments. Love y'all so much. I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.